Welcome back friends. Today's topic is regarding how to auto highlight the active cells row and column in Microsoft Excel. As you can see in the screen, when I click on different cells, the selected cell or the active cells row and column is getting automatically highlighted. So here we are going to learn how we can do this in Excel. Let's get started. First of all, select the data range where you want to apply the automatic highlighting feature. For that, select the first row, then press Ctrl, Shift and down arrow key together in the keyboard. That will select all the data. After selecting, click on the Home tab, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, use a formula to determine which cell to format. And here in the formula box, you have to write this formula. Now click on the Format button. Click on the Fill tab, then select the color that you want to use for highlighting. Let me select this yellow color, then click on OK. Again click on OK. Now to auto update this conditional formatting, every time a cell is changed, we have to now write a small line of VBA code. For that, right click on the sheet, click on View Code. Here in this drop down, select Worksheet. The selection change is auto selected. So here between these two lines of code, write this code, that is application.screenUpdating equal to true. After writing this code here, you can close this VBA editor window. Now if you click on a cell, here you see the active cells row and column is getting automatically highlighted. If you are working in latest Excel version, then you can do the same thing by using the focus cell tool that is available here in the View tab. In the View tab, you can see the focus cell tool is given. This also does the same thing, but you should have the latest Excel version that has this focus cell. After doing this all, to save this feature in your Excel workbook, you have to save this workbook as a macro enabled Excel file. For that, click on the File tab, click on Save As. Here in the file type list, choose Excel macro enabled workbook. Choose the location where you want to save the file. Let me select desktop, then click on the Save button. Now look in the desktop. There you see the auto highlighting workbook is saved as a macro enabled Excel file. You have to open this file to use that automatic highlighting feature. If you want to remove this auto highlighting feature from the workbook, you have to first select your data. Then go to Home tab, Conditional Formatting, Clear Rule, then click on this Clear Rule from selected cells. After that, go to the Developer tab, Visual Basic, select this part of the code, then delete this. After you do this, then the automatic highlighting feature will be removed from the sheet. So this is all about auto highlighting the active cell row and column in Microsoft Excel. If you want to practice this, you can download the sample workbook file from the video description below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. If you are new here, consider subscribing the channel to get similar video updates in future. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next video.